Hey, what's up, guys? Today, this morning, I'm gonna try and chug some Sprite Zero. It's cold too. Let's see the mist or whatever. Seal's not broken. Supposedly, this is more difficult than beer. We'll see. Oh, that's cold. Whew. All gone. Took a few minutes. No, definitely beer is much harder to drink than fucking soda. 2 liters of soda. It's almost 80 ounces. So this isn't even as much as 240 malt to beat us. It's pretty carbonated, but I can burp that out a lot easier than I can with beer. Yep. Oh God. So I'm looking for other challenges I can set myself up, and one that I plan on doing pretty soon, or as soon as I get like a better memory card for this camera. That's pretty much all I need, is just a fucking memory card for this damn thing. But I'm going to try the gallon challenge. But until then, I won't bother. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching it. Not bad to try new things. And subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks for watching.